Hadian ke jingklat no jong kpa bokhuj upo Francis haga step jong ka arphoi tarik uyayong arajar opsan ka Shillong Archdiocese kalapan pau ya ke jingsang benyau ba sngau kenja ba uni nong charai ka balang ula khlat no habakren skilap thai khbor ba bederes sila ubade secretary ba nong IPN ka Media and Publicity Commission ka Shillong Archdiocese ulayat hu ba ya kemet basa jong Pope Francis lara no nakayeng mani demosangte marte Sya kayeng mani ba jong Petrus bukhuj but on island ikpat ba wan jengok khaddu ya kamet basa jengu la pentip bah ka arphundu tarik uyayong ha ka por spau bejim step ka badei ka sngi on tap ya kamet basa on don kamas bukhuj ha parish yang mani berkumju ha ki pat ki parish ki badan ha ka Shillong Archdiocese ban kan mang buram ban banduai na ka benta ka bukhuj.
We are respond to the call. And we thank each of you for coming to this press conference relating to the Requiem Mass as well as the burial of late Pope Francis. According to the announcement made by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell on 21st April 2025 at 9:47 a.m. Vatican time, His Holiness Pope Francis passed away at 7:35 a.m. Vatican time, which corresponds to 11:05 a.m. Indian time, at his residence at Domus Sancti Martyr, Vatican City. The cause of death has been declared as stroke, and irreversible cardiovascular collapse. The ceremony of certification of the death of Pope Francis was conducted by His Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the Camerlengo of the Holy Roman Church. Today, Wednesday 23rd April 2025 at 9 a.m. Vatican time corresponds to 12:30 Indian time, after the moment of prayer presided over by His Reverend Eminence Cardinal Kevin Joseph Farrell, the coffin with the deceased Roman Pontiff Francis will be carried from the chapel of the Domus Sancti Martyr to the Papal Basilica of St. Peter in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontifices number 41 to 65. At the altar of the Confessio, the Cardinal Camerlengo will preside over the liturgy of the word, at the end of which the visits to the body of the Roman Pontiff will begin. On Saturday 26 April this year at 10 a.m., first day of the Novendiali, the traditional 9-day period of mourning and prayer held following the death of a Pope on the Parvis of St. Peter's Basilica, the funeral mass of the Roman Pontiff Francis will be held in accordance with the provisions of the Ordo Exequiarum Romani Pontifices number 82 to 109. The funeral liturgy will be presided over by His Reverend Eminence Cardinal Giovanni Battista Re, Dean of the College of Cardinals. As per his will, published on 21st April 2025, Pope Francis will be laid to rest at the Basilica of Saint Mary Major in Rome. He will be the first Pope in over a century to be buried outside the St. Peter's Basilica, Vatican. 3rd, 24th and 25th of April at the Cathedral Church, Leitumkra at 5:30 p.m. and all the parishes of the Archdiocese at the time arranged by the different parishes, they will also have the Mass daily. On the day of the funeral of His Holiness Pope Francis, that is on the 26th April 2025, there will be a Requiem Mass at the Cathedral Church, Leitumkra at 10 a.m. and at all the parishes of the Archdiocese of Shillong at 10 a.m. The faithful can participate through online media in the funeral Mass of His Holiness Pope Francis, which will begin at 1:30 p.m. Indian time. Thank you.